Greetings and welcome. We're taking a look at 2007 question 23 on the Necap. Back in the day, our students scored on average a 1.2 out of 4 points, and the state scored a 1.3 out of 4 points. So neither doing incredibly well. But it says here, a car dealer has 75 new vehicles. This table shows how the new vehicles are distributed by type and color. The sales manager plans to select one vehicle at random for a special promotion. Ooh. A says, what is the probability that the vehicle selected will be a car? Well, let's see. I copied this chart, so I'm gonna reuse it multiple times and scribble over it. Well, let's see. For this, I'd be interested in how many was the total number of cars. So that's 5 plus 5 is 10, 14, 20, 27 total cars over how many were there total, which they told us was 75. So the probability of car would be 27 over 75, and both of those are divisible by 3, so that'd be 9/25, I believe, is what we'd end up getting. And that's fully reduced. I also could then represent that as decimal or percent if we wanted. Let's see, for B, I'm going to paste my little chart again. Whoop, 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 whoop. So I can draw over it. So yeah, for the car situation, the idea was that these were the successes and these were the total. All right. So let's see. Part B says, if the vehicle selected is a van, then what is the probability that the van is black? We'll learn about this notation a little bit later, but this you could write as the probability black given it was a van. That's the notation that we'll use. Don't worry about that so much. But the idea is, okay, I know that it's a van. All right. So this is my total realm of possibility now. Okay. So this is going to be my denominator, my S plus F. And let's add these up. 3 plus 6 is 9. Plus 2 is 11. 19, 22 total that are vans. And now I want to figure out what is the probability that it's black. Now, would I want to add up all of these and do 5, 7 plus 6? I'd get 12, 18, and do 18 over 22. I saw some head shakes. No, and why wouldn't I do that? Because I'm not including trucks or cars, right? I'm only interested in vans. So which of these vans are black? Well, that would just be that section of them. So that would be 6. So the probability would be 6 over 22, which reduces by 2 to being 3/11ths is the idea. Let's see, one more problem here. And some key words with probability here. It says, what is the probability that the vehicle selected will be either black or a van? Sure to work. So either black or a van. So what is my denominator? What are the total realm of success plus failures? Well, that's going to be the 75 again, right? So that is this whole realm. And I'm looking for the probability of black or van. Which question, would that just equal probability black plus probability van? Well, let's figure this out. Probability of black would have been this, right? 5 plus 7 is 12, plus 6 is 18. Interesting thoughts. Probability of being a van is, what was this, 22? And if I add those together, I would get, 40 75ths, which would reduce. However, I heard one student mention an issue. Where was your issue, Christiana? Yeah, this guy right here, we counted that 6 one too many times, right? We added that twice. Because if we thought of this as a Venn diagram, we had vans and we had black. There was a cross section that was both black and van. And if I just add the probability of black plus the probability of van, I ended up counting that twice, which I don't want to. So I'd actually have to subtract the overlap. So this is kind of what I would end up doing. So how would you describe this overlap? That's the number of ways that are what? Well, in terms of our words here, right? That would be the probability of both black and van at the same time. Where I was specifically looking for either. I was looking for an or situation, not a simultaneous situation. So this is going to equal, let's see, 18, what's that, 36? 75ths, 18 plus 22 is 40, minus 6, nope, 34. All right, you guys checking my math here? And let's see, is that divisible by 3? No. 5? No. 2? No. I don't think that reduces. So that's the idea. The trick to that problem was what Christiana had noticed, was the fact that we had counted that overlap twice. And that's the big idea. So well done, friends. Well done. So there we go. Question 23 on the Necap. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.